for another video. It's your girl Alicia, and today we're gonna work out because it's Workout With Me Wednesday. So let's get our workout in. No matter what problems you had this week, we're gonna let them all go right now. It's just 5 minutes. I know you can do it, and we're gonna do it together. So let's get it, okay? So first off, we're gonna start with the little stretches. We're gonna reach up, lean over, side here, get a nice stretch, bring it around, and back. Let's go to the other side, lean over, side, bring it around, get you a nice stretch. Alright, now that we're all stretched out, Beautyroom fitness tip of the day, make sure that you stretch, okay, before and after workouts, so that you don't pull anything, don't pull any muscles or anything like that. Alright, so let's get into the video. Who's ready? Alright, so let's go. So today we're going to do a jump squat sequence. Last time we did a squat sequence, so we're going to do a jump squat this time, okay? So first you want to jump, squat, okay? You're going to pump to the left, pump to the right. Can you do it? Let's go. Jump, squat, pump, pump, jump, squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Jump, squat, pump, pump, jump, squat, pump, pump. You can do anything for 5 minutes. Let's go. Feel the burn. Make sure you move your arms. Okay. Make sure you move your legs. Feeling your legs, feeling your arms. It's a full body workout right here. Keep it going. If you need to stop and take a break, get you some water. But we're gonna keep going. You can stop it if you need to and get right back into it. Okay? Alright, let's go. Squat, pump, pump. Feel the beat and jump. Squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Squat, pump, pump. Take it up, jump. Squat, pump, pump. Now I know you know it. So we're gonna get into it now. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Feel the beat. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Get it moving. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Jump, squat, pump, pump. I know you can do it. Don't give up. Don't give up on me now. Stay with me. We're almost there. Woo! Jump, squat, pump, pump for the burn. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Jump, squat, pump, pump. Okay. Take a little break right here. But you catch your breath, okay? But you catch your breath. And I'm gonna catch my breath. I'm gonna take a little break. Get you a little sip of water, okay? Hydrate. And we're gonna get right back into it, okay? So, breathe. And let's get right back into it. So, jump, squat, pump, pump. Let's go. Push it. Push it now. It's the last part. We gotta pump it hard. Stay with me. Don't give up. You can do it. No matter what happened this week, let it go. Let it go in the beauty room. Sweat it out. Okay? We ain't gonna stress out, we're gonna sweat out. All our pain, all our problems. Let's go. Whew. Feel the burn. Whew. Let's go. Jump squat. And jump squat. Don't give up. I know you want to. We're gonna do this together. We in it together. Don't stop on me. And give me 3 more. Woo. 1 more. 2 more. Here we go. 1 more. And breathe. Okay? Alright, walk it out. Bring it back. You did amazing. Don't give up on yourself, okay? Believe in yourself. You can do this. 5 minutes every day. Walk it out with me. Get your heart rate. Bring it back to normal because we just worked out real hard, okay? We deserve this break, okay? And if you ain't sweating, that means you ain't doing it right. That means you need to come back and do it again. All right, so thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for hanging out with me, checking with me in the beauty room. I hope you enjoyed your workout. I hope you got what you needed. And as always, don't forget to go out and find your inner glow, whatever it may be. And I'll see you on Fab Finds